Good morning, everyone. Sorry, allergies are finally catching up to me. I made it most of the spring so far without it. Let me see. It's Wednesday, April 29th. Shockingly, there is an error on eBay's page. Temporarily unable to load your selling summary. I haven't refreshed it. Is it going to be fixed? There it is. Woo! Yay! Anyway. Yeah, it looks like a little better day than yesterday, day before. 131, finally back over $100, and I'm glad that big one dropped off. And you can see what a normal progression is. Just some really, really, really bad days. But yeah, yesterday 131, 785 today, killing it. 14 orders, but only $83. A lot of airplane postcards, a lot going to one person, so there's really not going to be much going out today. So yeah, this week I'm at $367 for the week. That is very ouchy. And I did a whatnot show last night, and I was on for an hour and a half. And you can go to YouTube and see how long I was on. Oops, in fact, I was just getting ready to do that. So here's the live stream from last night, and you can see I did just under an hour and a half, which I was stumbling all over last night. And here's my summary of the show. It says I sold 10, or I'm sorry, 15, but 10 of them were giveaways. So I only sold 5 boxes of cards for just under $1,300. So yeah, 1 hour and a half on whatnot last night. I quadrupled. What's 5 times? 5 times what I made in 1 week on eBay. So anyway, there's behind the scenes. Okay, enough BSing. Let's get packing. Again, $83 in orders, and a lot of them, or most of them, are airplane postcards. So B49. Where am I going? B49. I just need to do whatnot more. I know I do. It's a great revenue stream. People are getting great postcards to flip or collect or whatever. So anyway, today I got to take all this stuff to the post office. My 5, they're heavy boxes. That's 100. Let me see, 13. Call it 14 times 5. What is that? 70 pounds of postcards going to the post office today. Let me see. Got the roof guy coming today. HVAC was here yesterday. I think I said that. We'll see what the roof guy says today. Where's this? Pennsylvania Reading Hospital. Did anybody have a sales pickup overnight? Is that the right one? I have about 5 or 6 of these hospital cards. Yeah, that's the right one. Yeah. Whoa. I got my camera up so I can watch for the roofing guy to show up. And a Robin just gave me a crotch shot. I'm gonna do everything but postcard talk today. I thought this was kind of cool. Here he comes, or she, whoever. Anywho, I still got to get the squirrel cam up and... Okay, we established that is the correct card. And for whatnot, the fill a flat rate box, all I have to do is just tape up the box, print the label, print the packing slip, and just wrap the box. It's so easy to do. I'll do that next. And this Friday, I'm going to do all giveaway show. Friday at 8 p.m., 100 giveaways, 125 giveaways, and selling postcards by the pound. And the Buyer's Appreciation giveaway is a full tub of 800 plus postcards. So come check me out on Whatnot Friday for the 4th anniversary show. Okay, let's get these postcards, airplane postcards. One guy probably bought enough that I'll ship it first class or ground advantage. So we got that one. Bought 2 of the same for some reason, but whatever, Jeff. Thank you for the purchases. That one. That one. That one. So it was a nice, probably $30 order, something along those lines. And it was easy pulling and packing. And then some more airplane cards. I didn't sell much other postcards today or last night. Didn't list. What did I do yesterday? I don't know what I did yesterday. Prepared for the Whatnot show. Oh, finished The Bear. Great flick or great series. If you haven't watched The Bear, I highly recommend it. This is an international. And I still have set up Stampin' a Prayer, especially for the airplane cards, because I have many multiple quantities. That's, if it gets lost, I can just send them a replacement. So I still have that set up for Stampin' a Prayer for international. And I'm not too worried, but eventually I will transition all my cards to the eBay international shipping. So we'll get this one. And I can't, I usually take care of these international ones first. I'll do the shipping address label and then mark it. Just mark it as shipped. That's all you need to do. And then hope that it gets to where it needs to go to. So after I package it up, I just go to more actions, and all I do is mark as shipped. That's all I do, and it doesn't affect your metrics or analytics or whatever the hell, service metrics. It doesn't matter. Okay, what do we got now? B49. Wasn't I just in B49? It was like one of the first. That was like the first card, wasn't it? Oh, okay, makes sense. They bought a couple cards. B49. It must be from Reading. Okay, let me see. So hopefully today, after the roof guy leaves and I go to the post office, I think I need a Dunkin's today. Sorry, I moved my monitor. So I might go get a Dunkin's. And I just need to start processing cards. Probably gonna start. God, I still have the Lancaster Continentals. I know, first world postcard problems. But I do got to process, and I need to get some listings done. Prepare for the Friday Whatnot show for all the giveaways. I've never done that many. I've done 100 giveaways before, but I've never done 125, and I want to do it quick. I think that 100 giveaway show was, that was 2.5, 3 hours long. I want to try to get done in an hour and a half tops. Since this guy bought 2 and I'm just going to combine them in the same sleeve. So there's that. And then more airplane cards. And more airplane cards. Yeah, it accounted for probably, what, $50 of my 80 today. Still piss poor. Got a pack. And you need to write sleeve. Did I say pack? I meant list. I meant list. And last one is that one. Rinse and repeat. Oh, is that going to fit? Oh, not going to fit. So if you ever get one of those cards, Continental cards is just a little too tight, you can get a pair of scissors and, kind of cut the top. I don't know if that's going to show up. Probably not going to show up. But you can cut the top open. There you go. Actually, I had another pack of different postcard sleeves, and it was just a 16th, that extra 16th of an inch I needed. So that's a suggestion. If you buy different sleeves from different manufacturers, there might be slight differences, and one sleeve may work for one card where another one doesn't. So anyway, I think that is it. I didn't talk about much, so everything's ready to go, and no other orders came in. So everybody, I hope you have a great Wednesday, April 29th. I probably said March in the beginning. Let's go Pens tonight, fighting for their playoff lives. We don't want the Flyers to win. Anyway, that's it. Hope you have a great day, and we'll see you tomorrow, hopefully.